Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: license, mailbox, and matching account. Sign into both Outlook and Teams with the same corporate or personal Microsoft account. This makes calendars visible. Once signed in, open Outlook and verify your calendar lives in Exchange Online, not a local PSD. Then, in Teams, go to Settings and check that Calendar appears under Apps. These steps ensure syncing can begin. Missing one breaks the link, so don't skip verification. Next, connect the services. In the Teams Admin Center, enable calendar integration for users or groups. This allows calendar data to flow. In Outlook, confirm the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in is active so meeting links appear. Make sure Exchange Web Services and OAuth authentication are enabled for your tenant. Those permit calendar read/write. Once done, create a test meeting in Outlook and watch it appear in Teams. If it doesn't, recheck account matches and add-in status before proceeding. Finish by creating test events and confirming two-way updates. Edit in Outlook, see changes in Teams. Edit in Teams, see Outlook update. If events don't sync, sign out of both apps and re-authenticate. Clear the Teams cache and restart. Make sure mailbox permissions allow calendar access and review service health for Outlook/Teams outages. One key tip: if sync stalls, re-register the Teams add-in and ensure Exchange Web Services requests aren't blocked by firewall or conditions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.